Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a little makeup haul for you guys. My first makeup haul of 2020. But I ordered from 3 different places. I got a few things from Sephora. I ordered from Ciate London and also Too Faced because those two sites had really big like after Christmas sales, and the after Christmas sales were pretty good this year. So I was trying to be good and not buy anything, but when it's like 50% off, sometimes I'm like, oh, I can't resist. So I did get some stuff and I wanted to share it with you. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. I'll start off with my Sephora stuff. This one, it was kind of full price, but kind of not. They had like a $25 off, I think $75 purchase, so I made sure to spend like $50 so I could get a few things, because usually when there's a Sephora coupon, I just feel obligated. I have to use it. Plus there was a new glow recipe product I wanted to try out. So the first thing I got, this was just to get my total to 75, but it was the Sephora Rose Cleansing Wipes. I do like these and I will use them, so I just figured I would grab these just for the extra, because I know it's something that I use either for makeup swatches or just taking off my makeup if I'm feeling very lazy. I try not to do that, but sometimes it's just like you want to go to bed and you don't have time to do your full skincare routine. But I did grab those because I do like these makeup wipes. And then the next thing I got, I've been wanting this for a while and I finally decided to get it just because I thought it would be just a nice kind of everyday palette. But this is from Huda and it is her Nude Light palette. And I did try this once already, I just couldn't resist. But here's what it looks like. She had 3 different ones in this line catered to different skin tones. So technically this would be for a lighter skin tone, there's medium, and then there's a deep one. But I loved the shades in here. I just felt like they were so pretty. I wasn't going to buy this since I had purchased the new Nudes palette, but I just kind of like that this was like a mini one. Sometimes I don't like to reach for my huge palettes, and this one I could easily come up with a look for. So I thought this would be a good buy. I'll swatch some of these fun shades for you guys so you could see, but I really do like Huda's shadows. I think they are beautiful. Look at this beautiful pink on top. It's so gorgeous. And I'll swatch a matte one too. But yeah, I'm happy that I got this, and I think it will be a nice everyday palette. Even for spring, I could see myself wearing this one quite often. And then this one was what I was really excited for, but it's from Glow Recipe and it is their new Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I love bananas, you guys. It's one of my favorite scents. Glow Recipe makes some really fun scented products, usually surrounded by fruit for their skincare, which I know I usually try not to get fragrance in my skincare, but somehow their products usually work well for me and their fragrance doesn't usually irritate my skin. Their skincare also has really good ingredients, so I kind of justify it if I want to just use one fragrance product a day instead of having like a bunch in my skincare routine. So this is described as a soothing, lightweight daily moisturizer that resets, replenishes, and seals in a boost of lasting hydration for all skin types. Your recipe for calmer, hydrated, and healthy looking skin. I'm so excited. This is going straight into my skincare fridge back there. I feel like that's going to feel so good on the skin. Ooh, it smells so good too. It does have that light banana scent. It's not too powerful though. But yeah, I love it. It smells like creamy bananas, and I love Glow Recipe products, so I have pretty high hopes that this will do amazing things. Next, I'll show you guys what I ordered from Ciate London. So they had a 50% off sale on some of their items, and I haven't tried a ton from the brand, but I've been very curious about a few things. So I did grab some stuff from their sale. So first up was this foundation. This was the Radiant and Hydrating Extraordinary Foundation. By the way, I will link these items down below. Hopefully they're still on sale. I don't know. I'm not sure if they're discontinuing these items or what the deal is, but this seemed really nice. I had good reviews. It says it's a radiant buildable coverage foundation, so I'm guessing it's going to be pretty light coverage. So I picked up the shade 104Y Linen. Hopefully that will work for me. The packaging on this is really cute. I love the little stars all over. It feels like a nice kind of creamy finish, but yeah, I can tell it's going to be a lighter coverage there. This one's a little bit dark, but I will use it for like my self-tan days. But that is kind of how it is looking. So I've been into more of a lighter coverage as my skin is getting more clear. So I'm excited to see how that works. I also grabbed, this is one of their Glow 2 Illuminating Blushes, which I've been wanting to try for so long, and I saw they had them half off. So I got a couple. This is what it looks like here. And then this one is in the shade In Too Deep. Look how pretty. Ooh, it swatches nice though, kind of like mauve-y. These are so beautiful. Next up, I did order their bronzer. I've heard amazing reviews on this one. This is their Bamboo Bronzer. I wasn't sure what shade to get, but I got South Beach because the other one looked a little bit light. So here it is, same packaging as the blush, just in a bigger pan. And then this is the bronzer. So I got the second, I think the darkest shade they had, because yeah, the other one had good reviews, but it just looked really light in photos. But now I'm looking at this, I'm like, is this gonna work? Okay, maybe. That is South Beach right there. Maybe a little bit dark, but I think we can make it work. And lastly, I was really excited to get this. This is from the Jessica Rabbit collection, and it's the Glow Up Powder Highlight. I've been wanting this for so long. And it's so pretty. So you have a Jessica Rabbit on the front. And it's called Roger Darling. Oh, look how beautiful this is. I cannot with this packaging. It's so cute. So let me try not to mess her up. Here is a swatch. It's not like super vibrant, but I feel like this would make a nice just everyday highlight. Plus, it's kind of a nice collectible item with the Jessica Rabbit on it. And then this big box has a bunch of stuff from Too Faced. I also placed an order on their site because they had a half off sale, and there was so much stuff half off on their site. And I know some of you guys are like, why don't you just wait until it goes to TJ Maxx? I know, but I'm impatient and I don't ever know how long stuff is going to take to get there. So I just ordered quite a bit of stuff. First being this guy. This is a little set called Life's Peach Ultimate Eye Collection. This was only $25 and it includes the full-size peach palette. So I do own the peach palette already, but I feel like it's time to get a new one. I feel like mine's expired and the shadows don't seem to be working as well as they used to. So I knew I wanted to buy a new one, and I was waiting for a sale, and when I saw this I was like, yes. You guys are probably gonna think I'm crazy, but let's see, how does this open up? Alright, so it opens up like this. Oh, how cute. And we have a Better Than Sex mascara, a full-size shadow insurance, and then the full-size Sweet Peach palette in here. So that was a great deal. For $25, that's like just paying for the mascara. This is like, what the heck? This doesn't even seem like it's magnetic. Did they just put all the crappy ones on sale? Yeah, that's kind of weird. I don't like that it's not like sticking like normal. It seems like it's broken, which is really annoying, but oh well. I will try this out. I have like the very first peach palette that ever launched, and I've heard mixed things saying that the ones after that maybe weren't as good as the first initial launch, so hopefully it's just as good. But yeah, I'm not really impressed that this isn't really staying down. I don't know, it's kind of odd, but anyways, I'll try that out. I also picked this up, which I've been really excited to try. I love watermelon. This is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 watermelon extract spray. I feel like I have so many of these. I have the original, the peach, and now watermelon. Let me try this on. Oh, that smells so good. What does that smell like? Watermelon Laffy Taffy or something? It's really nice. I'm excited. That might be my favorite one. And then I also picked this up. This had pretty good reviews. It's the Do You Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer in Radiant Pearl. So this kind of reminds me of like the MAC strobe cream, something like that, just to give a little bit of radiance to the skin. So I'm excited to try this either by myself if I'm having a no makeup day, just want some glowy skin, or underneath a more maybe mattifying foundation. The packaging is really nice on this. So it's just going to give you a slight sheen. And it's very lightweight. And then I also got this. I've been wanting, this is from the Tutti Frutti collection. It's the Juicy Fruits Watermelon Candy Finish Lip Gloss. I love this packaging. So this one is in Mega Melons. I've been wanting this since it came out. How cute is that? Oh, I love that. It's like a fun coral. This will be so cute for the spring and summer. And I really do like this gloss formula. And then last but not least, I ordered the Tutti Frutti It's Bananas setting powder. I recently finished up the other one that I had, and I like this for just underneath the eyes. So, and you guys know I love bananas, so I had to have another one of this when it was half off. So this one is in banana cream, and this one does have that kind of yellow tint to it, which makes it really nice for the under eyes. It's very lightweight, and it has a light to banana smell. Here is a swatch. So you can see it just kind of gives a little bit of a brightening effect. And it has little bananas embossed in there. So that is pretty much my little 2020 makeup haul of some great items I got on sale. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have been shopping any makeup sales. You guys know there's been so much on sale lately. It makes me not even want to buy like new releases. I just wait for them to go on clearance. I was going to place a Sephora clearance order, but I never ended up doing that. I just couldn't find anything that I was like obsessed with, and I figure most of those products usually go to TJ Maxx, so I'm sure we'll see a lot of that stuff pop up in stores soon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.